Good morning, Hampton Roads. It's your 757 real estate girl, Olivia Laurenn, partnered with Shine Girl and powered by Atlantic Sotheby's International Realty. We are in our upgraded production room, so thought I would mention the elephant in the room, all the lights and cameras and everything. Hey, rates, a big topic, and they have went down. So I brought on none other than the team partner, Connor.mcnulty and his team with Movement Mortgage.
Thank
Connor,
you.
yeah, absolutely. We appreciate you coming on. They have over 22 years of experience and have closed over 5,000 transactions here in Hampton Roads. And he is the best person to talk to about the rates. I know a little bit to be helpful, but I want to have the expert talk about that because the market has shifted a couple of times in the past several months. And now that rates have been down, we've really seen an uptick with buyers starting to call saying, okay, Olivia, I've heard the rates went down. I know different rates depend on different programs. What's going on with the rates? So you've asked and you are going to receive. So tell us a little bit about the rates. I see them from 6.125%. I see them as low as 5.25%. Tell us about the rates. What's going on?
Well, first off, Olivia, thank you for having me on,
Absolutely.
And Happy New Year to everyone.
Oh, yes,
Happy
Happy New
2024. A lot of people during the holidays don't think about mortgages or rates or even buying a home, but after the holidays, people get back on track. If you are out there looking to buy a home and you do need a mortgage, you're obviously going to have a mortgage rate. That mortgage rate has come down from the highs that we have seen in late summer, and it's come down to a more manageable area.
Right.
Exact rates are very hard to give in a setting like this, but you can get rates in the fives, rates in the mid sixes, where we used to be in the mid 7s to 8%, and that is a huge difference in payment, especially when you think about the Fed cutting possibly. The Fed funds rate in 2024 possibly and into 2025. If you buy now and you refinance down the line into a lower rate, even lower rate than there is now, then you are setting yourself up for something that would be very good. And I say that because right now there is not a lot of buyers out in the market. There is a flood of inventory out there. There's sellers' concessions. There's sellers dropping prices. Right now is the time to find your home, and it may be the time to get into a rate that is manageable.
Absolutely.
And then in a year or two, get into a refinance situation where you can get into the payment that you want for that 30-year loan.
Right, because as he mentioned, with the holidays, it did slow down a little bit. We had family and friends in town, and that's what the holidays are about.
Right?
Absolutely, and had a wonderful holiday season for sure. But as I mentioned previously too, we are seeing an uptick in buyers that have heard that the rates have went down, and they are starting to be reintroduced into the market. And if that sounds like you, and you're like, hey, I do want to purchase a home, or I have been looking, I've kind of been on the fence because the rates did go up, give us a call. Let's find out what your buying power is based on what you're comfortable paying. And as he mentioned, the rates fluctuate. There's different rates. You can buy down points. There's first-time home buyer programs. The VA rates are absolutely phenomenal. Call us today because we want to make sure everybody deserves to be in a home, and that includes you. And if you're paying rent of like $1,500 to $2,000, you really need to look at getting a mortgage because you're getting your landlord to be rich. And even when you purchase a home, you get the tax write-off because you hear people say, hey, I'm paying so much towards interest, but you get to write that off on your taxes. So there's a lot of perks to home ownership, not to mention you can do whatever you want with the home, change the colors, update the baths, that kind of thing. So if you are thinking about purchasing a home in 2024, now that the rates have went down, definitely call me, Olivia Laurenn, at 757-452-0397, and I can get you in touch with Connor, or call him directly. Tell him you heard it on this video. Connor McNulty, where can they reach you at Movement Mortgage?
We are easily reached. We are a team, McNulty Mortgage team, powered by Movement Mortgage, one of the best lenders, biggest lenders all across the country. We have gotten into the initiatives that we do throughout the communities and the other videos. If you guys search through some of Olivia's other videos, some impact lending stuff that we do. But Movement Mortgage is a great company. We've got some of the lowest rates in the market.
Right.
I can be reached anytime. I mean anytime, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. Maybe not 24 hours a day,
does
but very
sleep,
close.
right?
Sleep a little bit. I got young boys too. So 757-618-3858 is my cell. You can call or text me anytime. I would love to chat with you. If you're thinking about buying,
Right.
if you are buying, if you just have questions, anything you want to talk about, we are here to help you.
And say that number one more time.
757-618-3858.
And once again, I'm Olivia Laurenn with 757 Homes, partner with Shine Girl, empowered by Atlantic Sotheby's International Realty. Let me get you in a home today. You can call or text me at 757-452-0397. Be sure and like this video, share it, and put your comments. We're going to be doing these on Wednesday, and let us know if there's a topic that you would like us to cover in real estate. It can be from mortgage lending, it could be from flood insurance, whatever you want to hear. Let me know, and I'll make sure that I get that information to you. Once again, my mobile is 757-452-0397. Thanks again, Connor, for coming on. I appreciate you as always.
Thanks, Olivia. I had a great time.
Hampton Roads, be blessed, be safe, keep it moving forward, because you got this in 2024. Bye.